If you would like to connect your Ton wallet to your Tapswap, we're going to head over to our Tapswap. First, we're going to open the Telegram app, and here we're going to select Tapswap and click on Start Now. And here we have our main dashboard. Now, there are two options here in the app where we can go to find a way to connect our Tapswap to our Ton wallet. The first option is task. So at the bottom you have task here, and under task you have 3 tabs. You have special leagues and reference tasks. Currently we don't have the option to connect our Ton wallet to Tapswap, but this is one way to get to do it whenever it's available. And then you could also go to boost and under boost. You have some boosters and under boosters. One of the options would be to connect your Ton wallet to your Tapswap. You can be accumulating your coins while you wait for Tapswap to activate the option to connect our Ton wallet to your Tapswap. Remember, when that announcement comes, you can check here in the task where you can do that here, or you can go over to boost where you can connect your Ton wallet to Tapswap. In the meantime, you can keep following with other tasks, doing some referral, and keep tapping to get more coins so that when the time comes, you can transfer your Tapswap to Ton wallet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.